Federalism is a system in which political power is shared between the national government and subunit governments, such as states or provinces. The federal system created by the U.S. Constitution established a more powerful central government than had existed under the Articles of Confederation, the first Constitution of the United States. However, to avoid possible abuse of power, political authority was divided between the central government and the states. Some powers can be exercised independently or simultaneously by both the federal and state government. These are called concurrent powers. Concurrent powers include collecting taxes, spending or borrowing money, making laws, building roads, and establishing courts. Both federal and state governments also have police power, or the power to enforce their own laws. There are also delegated powers found in the Constitution. These are powers given specifically to the federal government or to the states. National government powers outlined in Article 1, Section 8 of the Constitution include establishing and controlling currency, making treaties and foreign policy, declaring war, raising and maintaining an army and navy, establishing post offices, and regulating trade between the states and between the United States and other countries. Powers possessed by state governments, but not the national government, include the power to regulate commerce within the state, establish local governments, issue permits and licenses, such as a driver's license or a license to practice medicine, conduct elections, and ratify amendments to the U.S. Constitution. A federal form of government may seem intuitive to many Americans, but is not the only way of structuring political power. A unitary system is a political system in which the central government holds most or all of the political power. Although recently, some powers in the United Kingdom have been devolved to its constituent parts, especially Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, the United Kingdom has traditionally been an example par excellence of a unitary system of government. Many other countries around the world, including Spain and France, for example, also have a unitary system. In a unitary system, lower levels of government may be able to pass laws, but only if the central government gives them permission to do so. This form of government offers tight central control and a more unified focus. However, it is not a form of government that accommodates regional difference or local autonomy. Most importantly, the framers of the Constitution saw the unitary system as vulnerable to the tyrannical exercise of power. Britain's unitary system, they believe, had allowed the central government to infringe on their fundamental rights. A third option is a confederal system, representing a weak or loose organization of subunit governments under which the central government is granted only limited authority. This was the governing system the newly independent United States first adopted. Rejecting the supreme central authority of Britain, the new country adopted the Articles of Confederation, where the states remained essentially autonomous. After only a few years, this loose confederation of states was deemed weak and ineffective, leading to a move to amend the governing system in Philadelphia in 1787. The delegates to that constitutional convention considered the Articles so weak that they moved to scrap the confederal system altogether and start over with a federal political arrangement.